Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we'll be learning about transition property and transform property. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So, without wasting time, let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
So let us start our transform property video. I'll just open my Visual Code, Visual Studio Code, and my Visual Studio Code has been opened as you can see here. So I'll just quickly select the folder or not YouTube. I want web development course for kids folder, and as you can see there's a folder now. So I'll just create a new file called transform and transition.html, and I'll put the boilerplate too. So I will give a title called transition, and I will save it, and I'll start my live server. As you can see here, my live server has been started. So as you can see here, so first I will make a button with written click me to see transition. So first I'll give a ID I'll give as trans1. Click me to see transition effect, and I'll save it, and I'll copy this line and I'll paste here, and I will name this as trans2, trans3, trans4, trans5, trans2, trans3, trans4, trans5, trans6, trans7, trans8, trans9, and I'll save it. As you can see that there are 9 boxes now. So I'll put all of this inside a div tag with ID button. I'll just give btn, and I will cut it and paste here and save it. So I'll go to my style tag and I will give hash btn, and so I will give some background color to it. I'll give black, and I'll give color white, padding top, padding top 10. Let me give 20 pixel. I'll copy it, paste here, and I'll name this as padding bottom, padding left, padding right, and I'll save it. As you can see that there are boxes now. So and what can I do else? Yes, I can make text align center also. Text align center. Yeah, all things came in center as you can see here. So first we will be talking about what can we talk? So let us talk about transition first. So to write transition, you can just target it hash trans1, and you can just give transition, and you can select the second. If I want 7 second. You should write is in out. So first I'll give some hover to it. Hover hash trans 1 hover color will become gray, no, green. As you can see here, some changes will happen. Where's trans 1? I think this is trans 1. Oh, I should wait for 7 seconds now. I think green is not nice. I'll just give background color to it so it will look more proper. And I'll save it, and I think now it will work. Yeah, as you can see here. But if I remove this, I'll just comment out this and see. As you can see that it suddenly becomes green. But when I comment out this, it will take 7 seconds to become green, as you can see. So transition is used like this. You can also give many seconds, so I don't want this. Let us talk about transform property now. So I'll just target trans 2. First I'll give some transition to it of 5 seconds is in out, and I'll save it, and I will make hash trans to hover. So I'll just give background. No. So first let us talk about transform property. I'm not talking about. So to write a transform property, you should just type transform, and after typing transform, you'll find many options, something like this. So these are all transform properties. So first let us talk about rotate. So to start the rotating, you can just type the degree you want. If you want 360 DEG, for degree you should write 360 DEG. Oh, yeah. And so I want I by mistake touched one one. I want only second one. As you can see that when I hover on it, it will take 7 seconds to rotate 360 degree, and again it will take 7 seconds to rotate again. So you can just right click and inspect and change it. I just right click, inspect, and so I'll just change this color to light for a better display, so it look nice. Inspect. Yeah, as you can see, a transform property. I will decrease it to 500, and I'll click enter. Oh, I think it's not working here. Let me change here itself. 300. No. 70 degree, and save it. And I'll refresh my page. Now it will move only 70 degree, as you can see here. So this is about rotation. So let me target trans 3. I'll copy the same, and I will paste here, and I will make hash trans 3 hover. So let us talk about first transform property. And let us talk about translate. To write translate, you should mention 2 words with not degree. You should mention with pixels. So if I want 20 pixel from right to left, and you should put comma and 20 pixel, and you can change the numbers to, let me change to 10 pixel, and I will save it. Now I'll go to my third one. As you can see that it is moving 20 pixel and 10 pixel here, as you can see here. Let's do my page. As you can see here, I think now you're seeing properly. I forgot to zoom my VS Code also. Sorry for that. I think this much is enough, and all the word wrap. Yeah, as you can see here, it's moving 20 pixel and 10 pixels. So this is about transform, translate, and I'll target hash transform transition 5 second is in out, and I will make hash transform hover. So let us talk about skew transform skew. So skews also look like nice. You don't need to mention this in hover itself. You can mention this here for permanently change. For skew you can make 40 degree, and I'll save it and I'll see it's working or not. I think I made in fourth one. Yeah, it's working. As you can see, when I hover on it, I think this one, as you can see that it is changing its text to 40 degree, as you can see here. So this is about skew. Skew also look nice, and I'll make hash transfy transition 5 second is in out, and I will make hash transfy hover. So what am I doing? So let us talk about rotate, transform, rotate. So we have learnt about transform, rotate, degree. So let us talk about transform, rotate x, y and z. So to write that, just click rotate x. You can make angle. I want 350 degree, and I will save it. I think it will work. Yeah, it's working. As you can see here, it is flipping. As you can see, I'll just zoom my page. I think yeah, this one. As you can see here, it's rotating in x axis. So I'll just copy it, paste it here, and give name tran6, and I'll copy this one and I will paste it here, and I will name as tran6 hover. I'll make rotate y and save it. This one, I think this one, yeah, this one only. As you can see that it's rotating in y axis. As you can see here, when I overrun it, it just rotate, then it come back, rotate, come back. As you can see here, so z means nothing, it will rotate like 360 degree only. I think this much is enough for us. We have made you can also use matrix. It will just rotate like a 3D, it will just look like a 3D effect. So in that matrix and all we will learning in project videos. So that much for this video. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So until then, bye bye. We'll be learning many projects in this course too. Bye.